Weather Xtreme video, the morning edition. This is for Friday, May 26th. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather warming up for the upcoming Memorial Day weekend. We think the main chance of showers and storms will be on Monday. Let's check things out early this morning. The big trough that brought that cool air yesterday and last night lifting out. And highs go back in the 80s today. Numbers this morning look good, though. Look at Fort Payne, 46. Gadsden 50, Anniston 53. Most likely the next time we see numbers like that will be sometime in late September. And around the nation, much of the country nice and cool, although warm air beginning to come up through the state of Texas early today. There's the watch warning map. Things are relatively quiet. Still red flag warnings for parts of the southwest United States for wildfire danger. Severe weather potential today from the central Rockies over to near Indianapolis and Cincinnati. Then tomorrow, an enhanced risk for parts of Arkansas, Missouri, and some of the adjacent states. The risks clip the far northern part of Alabama. And keep in mind, this outlook runs through 7 a.m. Sunday. That's for the potential for an organized batch of storms to move in here after midnight tomorrow night. And I say in here for extreme North Alabama. And even that's kind of iffy. Much of the day tomorrow should be dry. And then on day 3, which is Sunday, a risk of severe weather from Texas up to the southern Great Lakes and parts of the Middle Atlantic coastal region. And again, Alabama clipped with a marginal and slight risk for the northwestern corner of the state. And we'll take a look at this as we go. There's no risks defined beyond Sunday. Here's the rain for the next 7 days, valid through Friday morning of next week. About 1/2 to 1 inch for the north, lighter amounts for the southeastern counties of the state. So, model fans, here we go. GFS, this is the 06Z run, valid this afternoon at 1 o'clock. A zonal flow and a dry air mass, sunny with a high in the middle 80s today. It will feel more like late May and Memorial Day weekend. Tomorrow, mid-80s likely. Initially we thought we might touch 90. The models have backed off on the warmth a bit. The GFS at 86, the NAM at 83. And there might be a few afternoon storms, the better chance near the Tennessee border. This is 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon coming off the high-resolution NAM, suggesting a chance of showers and storms mainly north of the Tennessee River. Most of the state should be dry tomorrow. Now, let's go out to Sunday at 4 a.m. and notice that band of organized storms blowing through Memphis. And that's the reason there's a slight marginal risk up for the far northern part of the state for after midnight Saturday night. But the NAM really weakens it, and those things fizzle out before they reach us. This is 7 o'clock Sunday morning, showing no storms up north and just a few scattered showers down to the south. Then during the day Sunday, this is Sunday at 1 o'clock, back to the GFS. And again, I think for a lot of people, the day Sunday will be dry, although there might be a few widely scattered afternoon showers. This is the high-res NAM at 1 o'clock Sunday, not showing very much. And the high Sunday, mid to upper 80s. And this is Monday, and again, clearly this should be the day with the best chance of showers and storms over the 3-day weekend. So if you have outdoor plans, you might want to get them in tomorrow and Sunday. And even Monday, won't rain all day. Maybe a strong storm, but severe weather not likely. Now, let's go to Tuesday, and we've seen models all over the board. Now the GFS brings in drier air. Let's check the European, and it does the same thing. It's got dry air for North Alabama. So Tuesday, it now looks like the northern half of the state will be dry. The main chance of showers limited to South Alabama. Wednesday of next week, back to the GFS, looks fairly dry. Then Thursday, evidence of the front washing out, moisture coming back, and that suggests maybe a chance of showers or thunderstorms on Thursday of next week. And a week from today, Friday, June 2nd, troughing over the northeast, a trough in the southwest, and a pretty moist air mass and some type of broad low down around Apalachicola. So again, this would suggest a chance of showers and storms as well. So for now, for next week, a good chance of rain and storms Monday, relatively dry Tuesday, Wednesday, then a chance of showers later in the week, Thursday, Friday. Here's the end of the forecast period, June 4th, again troughing over the east. Down below that, a moist air mass, a surface boundary to the north. That suggests a chance of showers and storms. And again, this is for Sunday, June 4th. Thought we'd check the European just for the fun of it on Sunday, June 4th. And hey, it's got a little tropical type feature near the Sabine Pass, coming up around Lake Charles, and maybe pretty decent chance of rain and storms if that happens to be correct. Numbers coming off the European. Mid-80s for the weekend. Beyond that, highs around 80 on through June 9th, and that's actually a tad below average for June, with lows mostly in the mid-60s. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.